Are you tired of blenders that break down after just a few uses or don't give you that perfect smoothie texture? Today on Top Home Finds, we're solving that problem with our recommendations for the 5 best blenders on Amazon. Tested, trusted, and ready to upgrade your kitchen experience. Before we dive in, don't forget to like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe to support our channel. Let's get started. First up is the Vitamix 5200 Professional Grade Blender. Here are some advantages of the Vitamix 5200 Professional Grade Blender. Versatile performance. The Vitamix 5200 can handle a wide range of tasks, from smoothies and frozen desserts to hot soups and even grinding coffee beans, making it a true all-in-one kitchen tool. Variable speed control. Its adjustable speed dial allows precise control over texture, enabling users to achieve anything from silky purees to chunky blends with ease. Large capacity container. The 64-ounce container is designed for medium to large batches, making it ideal for family meals or entertaining guests. Durability and power. Equipped with hardened stainless steel blades and a powerful motor, the blender delivers consistent results and is built to withstand years of heavy use. Check the link in the description for the best price and other features. Next up is the Ninja Professional Blender. Here are some advantages of the Ninja Professional Blender BL610 1000 watts. Powerful 1000-watt motor. Delivers exceptional blending strength, capable of crushing ice, frozen fruits, and tough ingredients with ease. Total crushing technology. Equipped with sharp, durable blades designed to pulverize ingredients quickly, ensuring smooth and consistent results. Extra-large 72-ounce pitcher. Provides ample capacity for preparing large batches of smoothies, shakes, or soups, making it ideal for families or gatherings. User-friendly design. Features simple, intuitive controls with 3 manual speeds plus a pulse function for precise control, along with BPA-free, dishwasher-safe parts for easy cleaning. Check the link in the description for the best price and other features. Next up is the Ninja Mega Kitchen System BL770 1500 watts. Here are some advantages of the Ninja Mega Kitchen System BL770 1500 watts. High-powered motor. With 1500 watts of professional performance, it can easily handle tough ingredients, crush ice, and deliver smooth, consistent blends. Total crushing technology. The robust blade design ensures efficient blending, chopping, and pureeing, making it suitable for smoothies, doughs, and meal prep. Convenient and family-friendly capacity. The extra-large containers allowed preparation of big batches, perfect for families or entertaining guests. Check the link in the description for the best price and other features. Next up is the NutriBullet Blender Combo 1200 watts. Here are some advantages of the NutriBullet Blender Combo 1200 watts. Powerful 1200-watt motor. Provides strong blending performance, capable of handling tough ingredients and delivering smooth, consistent results. Versatile functionality. Offers multiple blending options with a full-size pitcher and single-serve cups, making it suitable for both large batches and personal portions. Easy-to-use control panel. Features simple, intuitive controls with 3 precision speeds, a pulse function, and an extract program for maximum convenience. Durable and convenient design. Includes BPA-free containers that are dishwasher-safe, ensuring both safety and easy cleanup after use. Check the link in the description for the best price and other features. And fifth, we have the NutriBullet Blender 11-piece set. Here are some advantages of the NutriBullet Blender 11-piece set. Compact and convenient design. Its small footprint makes it easy to store and perfect for kitchens with limited space. Versatile functionality. Capable of blending, chopping, mixing, and grinding, it handles a wide variety of everyday food preparation tasks. Easy to use and clean. With simple one-touch operation and dishwasher-safe cups and lids, it ensures quick cleanup and hassle-free use. Complete 11-piece set. Includes multiple cups, lids, and blades, providing flexibility for single servings, meal prep, or storage. Check the link in the description for the best price and other features. Thank you so much for watching this video on our recommendations for the 5 best blenders on Amazon. We truly appreciate your time and support here at Top Home Finds. We wish you all the best in finding the perfect blender for your kitchen and in everything you do. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to stay updated with our latest home product reviews. Until next time, take care and see you in the next video.